Hey guys, happy Saturday. My name is Edward Kosasi with Your Home Sold Guarantee Realty. Welcome to the city of Walnut. Check out our new listing, 20311 Flintgate in the city of Walnut with WALNUT School District, a 10 grades rating. Let's go come inside and take a look at the property. It has a huge driveway. It can fit an RV or a boat. 2 cars attached garage. Let's go check it inside. The roof was just done around 3 years ago. All right, come on in. Once you enter into this property, you will see an open concept layout with LED recessed lighting, upgraded kitchen, dual pane windows all throughout with window shutters. You could see the pool with palm trees and a covered patio. The home has a central AC and heating. A lot of natural light. So 2 cars garage right there. And let's go check out the rooms. So all the 3 bedrooms have laminate floorings. You could see the first room right here and the second room. Remodeled bedrooms. And let's go check out inside the master. So 2 closet space. It has a direct access to the backyard. Okay. Why don't we just go check out the pool as well. Perfect for family gatherings and entertainment. All right, so we had a lot of people came today to the open house. This will be a really hot home and won't last long. So if you want to plan to take a private touring and take a look at this property, call our team at 626-789-0159. Thank you.